Chase Freedom Unlimited Pricing explained what you get for your money. The Chase Freedom Unlimited card is one of the most flexible cashback cards on the market. Most people get this wrong. They think it's just a simple 5% cashback card. The surprising truth is, with the right strategy, it can earn you much more. You earn 5% cash back on travel purchase through Chase Ultimate Rewards, 3% on dining at restaurants and drugstore purchases, and 5% on all other purchases. For example, if you spend monthly on everyday items, you're looking at cash back annually just from those purchases, and even more if you use the bonus category strategically. The card comes with an annual fee, making it accessible to almost anyone. It also offers purchase protection, extended warranties and travel benefits like trip cancellation insurance and auto rental coverage, adding extra value beyond rewards. Unlike some other cashback cards, the Chase Freedom Unlimited pairs perfectly with the Chase Sapphire card. This allows you to transfer your points to travel partners, potentially turning your everyday spending into free flights or hotel stays, which dramatically increases your rewards potential. In conclusion, the Chase Freedom Unlimited card is more than just a cashback card. Its bonus categories, flexible rewards, and lack of an annual fee make it an excellent choice for both everyday spending and strategic travel redemptions.